So you have requested a coaster holder, so here we go. This one is a flat coaster holder. And how I decided or determined the size was quite simple. My coaster is 25 by 25. So I laid it on my canvas, and because I will have an edge stitched, it will make it a little fatter. So I left at least one row around each side when I cut it. So see, there's one row there. See, there's one row there. And there's one row there. And then there's one row there. So that's how I decided that. And then as far as the pieces go, I didn't decide the height. I just figured I'd guess about how high it might need to be for the coasters to be in there. So I just counted some. So let's see what I picked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's 9. So it may change. I may cut off a row or two. I don't know until I decide my design. But for now, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and then for this one, this length here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So this length is 27, and they're all the same. 27, 27, 27, 27, which means more than likely this is going to be 27. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 27. So my bottom plate is 27. The lengths on these are 27. And then the sides are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 by 27s and then 27 by 27. And then that way, hopefully, once I add my stitching, it will still fit inside this. If not, it's okay. It'll be all right. It's not going to hurt nothing. I may have needed to go 2 instead of 1. I may have needed to go 2 because the width of the yarn from the sides and the width of the yarn from this, it might be a little snug, but I'm okay with that. And then also I was thinking about cutting a little slit once I kind of figure out my design, maybe even cutting out a little dip. So when I go to pull my coaster out, I don't have to dig in here and try to get it out. It will have a little slit. So if it had the little pretend slit, I can just go pull it up, pull it up, pull it up from the little slit that I've got here from whatever my design is. But I don't know yet. I haven't started the design process. But I wanted you to go ahead and get your pieces cut and go ahead and create your own tissue box holder. So this is the flat kind. So it'll be wider and then the sides will be shorter. And then it'll kind of look like this. Whoops. If I was a little more organized, I might be able to get it to stay up. So it'll kind of look like something like that. It'll be a little box, and then coasters will sit in it. And then just once you figure out your design, the front piece, you know, you can just cut out maybe almost to the bottom. Maybe leave 2 rows on the bottom. 1 because you need to stitch it together, but 2 that way it'll have at least a little lip. So I would not go any lower than 2. So if you do cut it down and out, the width doesn't matter, but at least save 2 and 2 and 2 and 2. So if you do cut it out, at least leave 2 here, 2 here, and 2 here on each side, so that it will be you'll be able to sew it together. Sorry. So have a wonderful day. I hope this helps you get started on your coaster box. And if you have any comments, leave it in the comment section below. If you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you like this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up. I want to make sure that you are prepared for anything and everything that you want to do. So I will put a finished coaster box up once I have completed a design. So thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye.